Welcome at the PASC23 on stage. I have the pleasure to have with me here Elaine Raybourn and Rinku Gupta. And these two ladies are going to introduce us to their mini-symposium. But before doing that, what was your motivation to come to the PASC conference in Davos?
Our motivation really was to share, or at least I'll speak for myself. My motivation was really to come because I'm a social scientist, and I know that this PASC conference was about scale and about collaboration in communities. So it was really a place where I felt that my work was welcome and received very positively. How about you?
Well, I think the PASC conference is a very important conference in our area because we see people now from all over the world, and it's a very good representation of the international community. And I always feel that if I can't attend PASC, I will miss out on the opportunity to meet my international colleagues and promote future collaboration.
Thank you very much. So I'm very happy to hear that we have also social sciences now at the PASC conference and not only the traditional sciences. So what was your mini-symposium about?
So our mini-symposium was called Code as Community. And really what that meant to us was when we think about communities, communities can form either people coding, they form a community, or codes that touch other codes because code starts to grow, that can also form a community, and it brings people together. So it's really looking at code as community from two different perspectives.
Rinku, you want to add something?
Well, just to add, communities are becoming so very common, and it's very important to understand how code can promote communities and vice versa, and what one needs to develop good code to establish good communities. So I think this message needs to come clearly across the different segments of people attending PASC, and that was our main motivation for making this symposium.
Mini-symposium. Very good. This is very interesting. So now the mini-symposium is completed, is concluded. What were the main messages or the take-home messages that you would like to share with us?
Sure. So I think that we'll probably answer that question a little differently since we come from two different lenses. For me, I think that a key message was about how communities can be built, how they are sustained, and the role of industry, universities, and national laboratories in forming these communities. And it was actually I was really happy with our presenters. They did a phenomenal job. And if you don't mind, I would like to mention them. So we had a presentation by Julian Fausti from Kitware. And his presentation was entitled Enabling Scientific Communities Through Paraview. That was followed by Thorsten Reinmann from Technical University Darmstadt. And his presentation was Developing Services for Scientific Communities, Experiences from the National High Performance Computing Center in Germany. And Hermann Stoppos from Stoppos Consulting in Switzerland. He spoke about scaling a community with over 1,000 contributors, bringing scientists together with SPAC. And really our motivation in bringing these distinct presenters together was to show how different perspectives will allow these communities to actually flourish. Yeah. And so I thought they did a fantastic job. What did you think?
I agree. This topic is, Elaine and I are pretty passionate about this topic, and we were super pleased to see that our thoughts and sentiments are reciprocated by the rest of the community. So I think that was a very encouraging sign, because we need to focus both on code and communities in the foreseeable future.
So it's very rewarding to see that not only they are from completely different domains, but they're also
Exactly.
completely different countries.
That's right. That was one of our goals, actually.
It's really important to try to collaborate and to really remove any borders,
That's right.
despite what's going on in the world.
And I wanted to say, I encourage everybody to go online and to watch their presentations, because really, in 10 minutes, we can't really even pull out the key takeaways from their talks. They did a phenomenal job.
That's very good. That's a very good recommendation. So what are the hope for the future then?
I hope that we're able to do this again. I would love for us to be able to continue the dialogue of code and community, to come back to PASC. I sincerely enjoy this conference. My first day has been phenomenal, and I'm looking forward to the rest of it.
Yes, and I hope this topic resonates with people and that they think about it, once the conference is over as well. So thank you for giving us the opportunity at PASC to conduct this mini symposium.
Thank you for organizing the mini symposium, and I hope you will enjoy the rest of the conference. Thank you, Elaine,
Thank you.
and thank you, Rinku.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.